Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use Availity to verify insurance. First, you need to create an account. Fill in your information, then choose a user ID and password. Once your account is ready, return to the login page. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. After logging in, you will see the Availity homepage. To check a patient's insurance, you need to navigate to the right menu. Look for the patient registration menu at the top of the page. Click it, and from the drop-down options, select Eligibility and Benefits Inquiry. This will take you to the page where you can enter patient information. Next, enter the required details. Start by selecting your organization from the list. Then choose the payer, which is the patient's insurance company. Enter the patient's full name, date of birth, and insurance ID exactly as shown on their card. You also need to provide the date of service and the place of service. Make sure these details are accurate to get the correct results. Once all information is entered, you can submit the request. After a few moments, Availity will display the results. You can see the patient's coverage status. The system will also show copay amounts, coinsurance, and any deductible details. Thanks for watching.